Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olufemi Michael. I'm a data analytics instructor. Today in Microsoft Excel, we'll be looking at left and right function. Now, left function will look from the left hand side to return the number of characters, while right function will look from the right hand side to return the number of characters. Now, this is what I want to do. Now I want to use left function to return the name here, Mark, and then I want to use right function to return the name here, John. So it means that to use my left function, I will start with equal sign, then I will type the function left test. Now the test will be my first row, Mark John. I will click comma and then the number of characters. Now the number of characters will be how many letters do I want Excel to return. Now if you look at here, Mark is 4 letters, so I will put my 4, I'll close my brackets, then I will put my ampersand, my quotation again, then ampersand, right function. I will follow the same procedure. I will click 4, number of characters 4. I'll put 4, close my bracket, hit my enter. So I have used left function to return Mark, and I've also used right function to return John. So I will autofill now. Now I've been able to use left function and right function to return the students' names. So we have Mark John, Jojo John, and so on and so forth. Now, now let's say you find yourself in a situation whereby the left, when you look at your left hand side name, is more than the letters on the right hand side. Now let's look at my method 2 and get what I'm saying. Now if you look at this particular table, I have Olufemi Michael, and if you count these letters, you will see that this is 7 and 7. Now it means if I use left function and right function, I will still get the right name. I will get the right name. Now if you look at this third row, I have 4 letters here, and then if you look at here, this is 6. So if I use left and right function, will I still get the same results that I got when I did the first sheet? Okay, now let's give it a try. That will be equals to left test, comma, number of characters 7, put 7, close my bracket, my ampersand, quotation, then my ampersand again, right function. The test will be this. The next argument, number of characters 7, put 7, close my bracket, hit my enter. Now I got the right result, Olufemi Michael, with a space as a result of my ampersand. Now will I still get the same results for Abe George, for Emmanuel Emeka, for all the rows? Let me autofill and let's see. Now if you look at the row 3, I have Abe George. Now if you look at here, we have Abe Jiho. Then this is another name. I can't even pronounce this one. We have Emmanuel Emeka here. Then we have Emmanuel L. Emeka. We have Joe Jacks. Here we have Joe Jack. Then we have Ojax. So Abdulkarim Makonjola. We have Abdulka Anjola. So it means here that left and right function will not work here, because if I'm told to submit this kind of results, then that will be an error. It means that left and right function will not work in this case. Will not work in this case. Now, has Microsoft Excel done justice? Yes, because if you count the number of characters here, 7 7, if you count it, it is 7 7, because it will look at the the first row and then follow the same pattern. So if you look at here, if you count, we still 7, Emmanuel 7, and you will see that at the end of the day we were unable to get the right results, right? So what can we do? In this case, we are not going to make use of left and right function. Now what you are going to do is to, first thing is, let me delete this and let's see what we can do to get the right result. So what you are going to do is you will copy this particular row, Ctrl C, and then paste, Ctrl V. Now put a space here, put a space in between the I and M. Good. Now use your flash fill. Now the shortcut for flash fill is Ctrl E. So I will press Ctrl E, Ctrl E. So using Ctrl E, my flash fill, then I will get the right result. Now if you look at it now, Olufemi Michael, Abi George, Emmanuel Emeka, Joe Jacks, Abdulkarim Makojola, Janet John, Faith Odiaka, Harry Janet, and Faith Taiwo. Accurate. So I hope you've learned something again today. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel in order for you to see more of my videos. Thank you.